YouTube channel, The Hoes Outside. I think what you say?
I want to say hi.
To what? This is our
We
butler.
look
He's in charge of taking care of the house. As you can see, he's done nothing today. I'm kidding. Wait, is it running?
It is.
Oh!
Come aboard.
Oh my
Children of the
goodness.
Lord.
These are the bloopers. These are bloopers.
Yeah. Ah, you guys will look so good. Alright. Hi beautiful people, welcome to episode 4 of the Diaspora Diaries. Introducing the vlog squad as always.
Gang.
What?
You can get the girl out of Kenya, but you can't get the Kenyan out of the girl.
Sorry. I'm so
Anyway, Mosi, tell us where we're going today. Come tell us where we're going today.
We are gonna go to the Phoenix Arts Festival today because it's a free event. He's losing our money.
That's about right.
Anyway, no. It's supposed to be a really cool event, I hope. And like I said, it is free, so you know that's what we like to hear. Very much a plus. And we're just gonna check it out and see how it is because I've never been there. We'll find out. It's a learning curve.
I'm watching you guys, bro. The camera looks nice.
Now we look good. What are you talking
To
about?
be honest,
I look good.
We look good.
I just gotta see myself one time.
Alright then, enjoy this cute little vlog and thank you for, well, those of you guys that have been
Thank you
enjoying
for
this
tolerating our BS.
Just in Kate, bro.
Wake up and I still see your face. Sometimes this life's an endless race. Pack up and move to another day. Why is it so hard just to feel okay? And I try to not feel small. Looks like I walk before I crawl.
Well, it's a whole set.
So yeah, and like little shot glasses. A whole collection just for you.
I'm gonna put that in. I'll leave you when you
Go back and forth in between your grace. Empty from all that you never gave. Fight for the will to a brighter day. Got all I need in this life I made. And I tried to break your wall. Pick myself up back.
Reading.
Yeah, okay. And where is this person? Yeah.
And so it goes. So it is.
I know.
So it goes.
Is it okay if I take a picture? Yeah. Oh, yes. We found a Kenyan, y'all. We found a Kenyan from Kakamega. And then we're getting free tastings because privilege.
My name is Masida Fini, and I came from Kenya, and I live here for 29 years. I'm heading to 30, and my business I started has been 16 years. I do samosa, I do 12, whatever you want me to do. I do catering, I do everything. So anytime somebody wants something, give me a call, and I'll be there anytime. And anytime, it's not only samosas. I do other things too. If you want the rice, if you want chapati, if you want mandasi, I do everything, whatever tea. Even if I samosa, I can put some things you want. It's not only what I have. Anything. You want chicken feet, you want a frog, I'll do that.
You don't have to try so hard. Oh, don't let heartache tear you apart. See, you're the one that's left the mark. Oh, don't let it break you from the start. And I tried, and I feel small.
It is night time and we have decided to go watch the fireworks. I could not carry my camera, so I'm vlogging my phone. Say hi. Hi.
And so it goes. So it is. Ooh, and so it goes. So it is. And so it goes. So it is. Ooh, and so it goes. So it is. Ooh.
A girl is dying. A trick to enjoying your gym session as a beginner female is to find time when people are not here. So just come and do your own thing and not feel gym anxiety or whatever. Or come someone you know. Anyway, let's go. Hi, it's Wednesday. Oh snap! No, it's Tuesday evening.
The sunsets and sunrises here are just beyond beautiful. And apparently in the summer they even look better, but like, wow, would you look at that? Woo.
Hi there, back at it again with the bathroom shots. We're going I think this is the last entry into the weekly vlog. We are going somewhere that we've been to before, a full-on black experience. And I say full-on, it's like it's the first gathering we went to and had like 90% black people. It felt nice. So that's what we're going to, because it happens every third Friday of the month. Can't believe we've been here 2 months down. But I'll let Musi explain in a bit. Alright, back at it again with the entire squad. Tunakanga vizuri nyote. Where are we going today?
The black people. Grassroots something on Instagram. Okay,
Wait for game night. That's it.
Visit Moore's Visual Studio. We're going to like a kickback to play games.
I like how you're talking like this audience knows anything about a reason. In short, we're going to the one place where 90% of the audience is black people.
And it's downtown Phoenix. Oh, okay. I think
I see. Downtown.
See downtown if you're you don't have to watch for your things. I can walk with my phone in my back pocket. I can walk with my wallet like this.
Guy, what is go buy?
Imagine on the town I wanted to.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's way out. Home is still and I gotta open my eyes.
Number one answer on the board. Would you like to contemplate your
Thinking of, and it's about time that I get it. Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me